can see when you look at this, you can see we have a lot of things here. So you can just come here and copy this one, bring it here, bring it here. See, this is a constant, and we have index.sx. We just control V to paste everything there. And now you can see it is complaining about the assets. It's also complaining about the icons. It's complaining about images and icon. That is the major problem. But images are being exported. You can see all that, and we are going to export icons or that to be used. And also we are using them. Yes, it is now here on body, and this is a list of items, which are 3, having title, ID, description, and also the image. The 3 types. And this is let me check. Export. Yeah, they are already exported. And then export cons data, and the data is body. But that's no issue. You can control S. And also we have types here, and these types we can just come here again and look at the types here. We have types, we have image, and we have the types. So let's see. Here we can say, we can open this one, types, and you can say declare module, and we have that. You can control and say copy. We have copied this. So after copying this, you can just come here and say it's image.dts. I think this one is also ts. Okay, so let's first of all correct this one to name from it is ts. It's okay, and also I come here and image